This is a tour of the HEALWA or HEALWA online library and guide to navigating and accessing some of its key resources. HEALWA is an online resource library hosted by the Washington Department of Health, specifically designed to provide evidence-based information to eligible licensed Washington healthcare providers. Users can sign up for free access by using their Washington State credential number to create a UW NetID login and get started. So from the homepage, we can see that the interface and options are similar to the Shoreline College Library's website, but it also includes many additional advanced resources specific to clinical settings and patient care than what is available just through Shoreline. One thing that I find helpful about the HEALWA site is the organization of toolkits and care sheets that can help as starting points or overviews of the extensive research content on the site, which can feel more conducive to clinical care applications compared to just searching through thousands of journal articles. For example of one feature, by using just our main search bar, to look up a topic or a keyword, we get not only tens of thousands of peer-reviewed journal articles, filter and search function tools, but also access to this research starter, which is a prompt that can help give me some direction or background and to help me kind of strategize and simplify my search while also giving me bibliography to get started. The resources menu and tabs down here include familiar library website categories like ebooks, journals, and databases, but it is a much more extensive inventory that includes, for example, several key journals like JAMA, Journal of the American Medical Association, and databases like APA Psych articles, Medline Complete, Trip Database, just to name a few that are all otherwise behind paywalls through Shoreline's library. In general, there are more databases with focus on clinical care and community health, and even their CINAHL subscription, which Shoreline also has. Here is the upgraded ultimate version. So additional to searching in individual databases, there are field-specific toolkits that feature for each field these priority resources that are organized, by topic, but also include things like continuing education credit resources, selected ebooks, selected journals, and even NCLEX reviews, guides, and study tools. There's also the evidence-based care sheets, which include dozens of specific care needs and scenarios. With summaries and references that can help get you started in your search and then search further. There's also resources emphasizing things like equity in healthcare, patient education, and even things like burnout and critical care staff. There's a lot of resources to explore, too many to cover just here, but the HEALWA library is designed not just for academic learning and understanding, but to allow you to move your existing research and information literacy skills into more dimensional, practical, and clinical settings, all while still getting free access to the most current, peer-reviewed, evidence-based, and reliable health information. So the HEALWA library is a great resource to help clinicians continue to evolve as lifelong learners, lifelong students, and continue to become leaders in their fields. If you have any questions about the HEALWA library, even if you're no longer a Shoreline student, you can always reach out to us at the Shoreline Library for questions.